In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your account name on Podia 2025 step by step. Keeping your account name accurate helps your profile, receipts, and communications look consistent and professional. Maybe you're rebranding, correcting a typo, or updating your name. Whatever the reason, this quick walkthrough will get it done smoothly. Just a heads up, we're updating your personal account name, not your storefront or brand name. Start by opening your Podia dashboard in your browser and signing in if you need to. The dashboard is your starting point for everything. Look to the sidebar where you'll see your account name or avatar. Click that, then choose Account. On mobile, you may need to open the main menu first before you see the account option. This takes you into your core account settings. Inside the account area, head to the section for your personal information. Depending on your view, you'll see it labeled as Account or Personal Details. You're in the right spot when you can see your basic fields, including your name. We're only focusing on your name today, so no need to change anything else. Find the name field and click the edit button next to it. Podia separates your name into first and last name, which helps keep formatting clean across the platform. Enter your new first and last name exactly how you want it displayed. This is a good time to fix capitalization, add accent marks if you use them, and avoid symbols or emojis that might not render well. If you're part of a team, remember, you're updating your individual username here, not a company name. When you're happy with what you've typed, click Save to apply the change. Give it a moment for Podia to process. You'll typically see a confirmation, and the updated name should appear immediately on this page. It's worth double-checking for typos before saving, since this name may appear in areas where customers interact with you. After saving, look at the sidebar at the top of the page to confirm your new name shows up. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and it should sync. That's the whole process. Start from your dashboard, open the account section from the sidebar, go to your personal details, edit the name field, and save. You can revisit these settings anytime to make further adjustments, so don't worry if you need to tweak formatting later. Thanks for following along, and great job keeping your Podia presence polished and up to date. See you in the next tutorial.